According to the UN, we produce 1.6 billion tons of food waste worldwide, and this emits 3.3 billion tons of CO2. Composting has thus become an effective solution to combat this issue. However, existing methods tend to use lots of energy and release poor odor. To reduce food waste in a community and promote the SDG of sustainable consumption and production, our team has designed a school-friendly composter inspired by mangroves.
Most food waste decomposes through aerobic composting, which requires oxygen, and so the bad smells associated with compost result from a lack of aeration. Thus, most commonly, people turn their compost bins by hand to oxygenate them, but we wanted to create a more efficient option that could potentially be bigger than the typical household composter in order to accommodate the larger amounts of waste produced by a school cafeteria. In looking to nature for inspiration, we found that mangrove trees' roots are effective at aeration, since mangroves tend to grow in waterlogged soils where there is little oxygen.
As such, their roots are a network that operates both above and below ground. Column roots, which are above ground level, have lenticles, which are many small pores. Through these, oxygen is able to travel down to the underground roots that diverge from the main stem and penetrate the soil, delivering oxygen throughout. We mimicked this in our prototype using straws. The ends on the outside of the composter are poked with small pores, and within the composter, they're bent in all directions to deliver oxygen throughout the bin. We cut 2 openings on the top to pour in our food waste, and what becomes compost sinks to the bottom and can be taken out for use.
We also made the front of the bin clear with the goal that if implemented, students could look inside to see and learn the composting process, as well as be encouraged to partake and dump their own food waste. Our project is one that not only ties the interest of the environment, but also our community, and together the people can work with us to contribute to the desired goal 12, to introduce a more sustainable consumption and production route.